Hello everyone, my name is Idumeka and I'm from Nigeria. So this is my search project from the CS50 Web programming with Python and JavaScript. So this project requires 7 specifications. The first one um, is that there should be 3 pages and links to move from one page to another. And as you can see from the top tabs, there are 3 pages. This is the Google search page, this is the Google image search page, and this is the Google advanced search page. And as you can see at the right top corner, there are links to go from one page to another. So from the Google search page, I can go to the advanced search page. From the image search page, I can go to the Google search page. From the advanced search page, I can go to the image search page. So I'm just going to go back to their original pages. So the second one requires that on the Google search page, the user should be able to type in a query and go to the search results for that page. So I can type in, for example, Nigeria, and click on the Google search button, and it takes me to this page. So as you can see, it took me to this page. So I'm going to go back. Then the third specification requires that on the Google image search page, the user should be able to type in a query and be taken to the image search results for that page. So for example, I'm going to type in Harvard, and it's going to take me to the it's going to show me some images of Harvard University and anything relating to Harvard University. So as you can see, this is the page it took me to. Then the fourth specification says that on the Google Advanced Search page, the user should be able to provide input for the following 4 fields. So the first one is all these words, so there's an input for that. The second one is this exact word or phrase, there's an input for that. The third one is any of these words, there's an input for that. And the fourth one is none of these words, there's an input for that. So the fifth specification is the Google advanced search page should look like that of Google's, and the 4 options, which are these, should be stacked vertically, and all the text fields should be left aligned. So as you can see, it's passed these specifications. And it also requires that um, the advanced search button should be blue, and also when clicked it should take the user to the search result for that query. So I'm going to quickly type in some queries, all these words. I'm going to type in Harvard University, and there are instructions on how to use the inputs. um this exact word or phrase, I'm going to type in Harvard. Any of these words, I'm going to type in Harvard or University. Then none of these words, I'm going to type in Yale. And you need to put a minus sign in front. So I'm going to click on the advanced search button. And this is the page it brought me to. As you can see, the URL on the top bar. You can see the name and the value. So I'm going to go back. So the sixth specification requires that on the Google search page, the user should be able to type in a query and be taken to the first Google search result. So I'm going to type in, for example, let me type in Yale. And click on the feeling lucky button. So this is where it brought me to the first search result, the first result for the query I typed in. So I'm going to go back. The seventh specification requires that the aesthetics of your page should match Google's own aesthetics as best as possible. And as you can see, I tried my best to make it match Google's aesthetics. This is the Google search page, this is the image search page, and this is the advanced search page. This is the advanced search page. This is it. So thank you all for listening.